For a long time, the BMW 1 Series was a crucial gateway model for the best driving machine philosophy. Rather than merely electrifying a compact automobile, the launch of the brand new BMW i1 in 2027 marks a radical rethinking of the entire segment. The i1, a daring Munich statement, has a particular platform from the Neue Klasse and combines a beautiful, minimalist design with 800V electric technology, which is genuinely groundbreaking. Most importantly, it triumphantly returns to BMW's basic dynamics. The i1 is about to make its mark as the electric hot hatch, demonstrating that practicality and fun behind the wheel need not be mutually contradictory. As a standard feature, the BMW i1 2027 will shift from the current generation's front-wheel drive architecture to a fully electric, rear-wheel drive RWD arrangement, which is sure to delight admirers all around the globe. This change immediately returns the crucial dynamic purity expected from BMW, using the high-performance NBX variant of the Neue Klasse platform. The best compact car from the brand has traditional, pulley handling, ideal weight distribution, and fast steering thanks to the electric motor, which is suitable for both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive applications. It delivers instant torque to the relevant axle. The i1 is nimble, quick, and has excellent road feel. Sleek, modern, and aggressive, the external design is a perfect example of the innovative and daring Neue Klasse style. In order to concentrate on accurate proportions and delicate dynamic indications, i1 eliminated superfluous embellishments. Some of the features include a powerful fender flare that can fit big alloy wheels, ultra-thin LED lighting, and a luminous kidney grille interpretation. The sleek and athletic hatchback design makes the most of the available space inside while exuding an air of low-key sportiness. It's more than meets the eye. It's a kinetic architectural component with an eye toward the future and the everlasting BMW, and sophisticated 800-volt electrical design and a 6th-generation BMW cylinder battery cell Gen 6 underpin the i1's electrical capabilities. Compact classrooms will never be the same after this. Despite the compact car's footprint, BMW aims for an amazing mileage of over 400 kilometers, 250 plus miles, using the new battery, which offers a greater energy density. Even more crucially, the 800V system enables lightning-fast DC charging, which may boost the range by hundreds of kilometers in a matter of minutes, putting an end to range anxiety and reducing downtime on frantic road trips. The i1 makes the most of every square inch of its interior thanks to its unique electric platform. 4 adults will have a very pleasant experience thanks to the flat floor and clever packing, which create a passenger space that is on par with luxury vehicles. In addition, i1 is marketed as an affordable way to indulge in luxury, with its range of premium materials, eco-friendly finishes,